So, hello there. So I'm at SLAS. This is all about automation of laboratory sciences. So it's all the robots that are helping discover new medicines and curing diseases, making all sorts of wonderful things to help people. And part of that is research. And right here I have a really brilliant man who studies of all things worms. And not the kind of worms you find in your garden, but the kinds of worms that are so small you can't see. And he's going to tell you a little bit about how studying worms can actually figure out how to help one of the biggest problems everyone will ever face, getting old.
Thank you, Peter. Hello, fourth graders. I'm David Weinkove. I'm from England, and I work with tiny worms. They're only 1 millimeter long, so you can hardly see them with the naked eye. But we can monitor them with our technology and see how they move. And we find that they move really well, but after a few days they start slowing down because they're aging and they're getting older and older. But our technology can measure how fast they slow down. And that allows us to test all sorts of drugs and supplements and bacteria and all sorts of things to find things that make those worms slow down. Now, why do we think the worms are important? It's because worms have very similar genes to us, even though they look very different. And some of the pathways that these genes affect seem to be important in humans too. So you can have a mutant of a pathway in a worm that lives a lot longer, and it makes the worm, and it stops it makes the worm live longer. And that same pathway seems to be important in human aging too. So we can find out what drugs slow aging and then help people develop drugs to slow aging in humans, which makes people stay healthy for longer, less likely to get diseases like Alzheimer's, and hopefully lead a happier life. We're doing this through our company called Biosciences, which is based in the northeast of England in a little town called Durham, which isn't like Durham, North Carolina, but the original Durham. Please look it up on the map, and please look at our website, biosciences.com.
We'll take a look to just see what's there. But again, so these genes are basically the codes of your cell. It's like the instruction manual that says how you're gonna be. And if we can find the instruction that says how to live a longer, healthier life, or a few of the instructions that we do it, I think it would be a wonderful thing. So thank you so much, and really appreciate it.
It's been great.